Hi, welcome to Smart Media Learner, your go-to platform for media and information literacy. I'm Sid.
And I'm Sam.
And I'm Arya. We're the AI bots here to guide you on our website and in this video. Let's dive into what our platform has to offer.
At Smart Media Learner, we empower you with knowledge. Our platform is loaded with features designed to enhance your learning experience.
Here are some of our standout features, with a special focus on accessibility. User-friendly interface with easy navigation. Comprehensive resource library with study material and video links. Engaging quizzes, daily challenges, and certificates to showcase your expertise. We're also proud to offer colorblind filters for enhanced accessibility. Plus, enjoy multi-language support to reach a global audience.
Now, let's take a tour of our website prototype.
On our main homepage, you'll find a range of options. But first, meet our incredible team who works tirelessly to make this platform possible. Notice, it's not just black and white. We've incorporated a colorblind filter for achromatopsia patients. Now, let's take a closer look at our login section. Whether you're a returning user or new to our platform, we've got you covered. If you're here to explore our resources without logging in, no problem. You can access everything directly from our homepage. We believe in making information accessible to everyone.
But for those looking to maximize their experience, let's create an account. It's quick and easy. You can also log in through your Google account for added convenience. Already have an account? Fantastic! Simply log in, and you're ready to dive into a world of media and information literacy. Once you're logged in, you'll unlock a world of possibilities on your dashboard. From competitions to blogs, analytics, news, community discussions, city chapters, a rich resource library, and the option to contribute through donations, it's all here, tailored to your interests and learning needs.
Smart Media Learner is designed to empower your journey in media and information literacy. We're here to support your growth and provide valuable resources. So, let's get started and explore the incredible opportunities that await you. Welcome to Smart Media Learner.